Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OPK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so go there and I'll explain in detail. Well, today was a pretty rough day, and as far as trading terminology and just summarizing today's price movement, in just a couple of words, this is what we would call a gap and trap. If you're not sure what I mean by gap and trap, all that means is that on Friday, the price closed right there. On Monday this morning, the price opened right there, hence the gap up. And then even after the price and market opened up, price actually did work its way upwards. Some poor souls bought up around there. And then from that point forward, it was all downwards pressure from that point in time. So a total gap and trap. And now it's essentially flirting with, is this going to turn into some pump and dump type situation? So is the gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? I'm not willing to call it a pump and dump personally because, from a bigger picture and ultimate, kind of viewpoint, the price is still up above that pink line right there, which is the 200 period moving average, currently valued at 208. And, that's why, for me personally, I don't think it's totally genuine to say that this is a total pump and dump because the price does still have the opportunity to make some signs of progress. With all that being said, though, if the price were to go down to 208 and then just continue on down, at that point in time, what would you have? Well, you would literally have the price right back to where it was inside of this range of the chart before the big movement that occurred today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were before everything started, not exactly a sign of true strength. Then you factor in the context that the price made a big old move like this, and then within a few days goes right back to where it started. I mean, that is the epitome of a pump and dump. Now, when I say pump and dump, I'm not saying that towards the company and implying this company is being run out of some bunker in North Korea. I'm just saying from a price action point of view, how the price is acted is, in the form that I'm using the pump and dump there. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, overall, like I said, the easiest way to summarize today's price movement, it was a total gap and trap. Now it's just a question of, is this gap and trap going to turn into a pump and dump? And that's why that 208 mark, the 200 period moving average, is a very, very important level. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.